In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Zoho Books. This is a powerful and intuitive platform that's essential for managing business finances, and today we'll dive into setting up projects, which is a key feature for tracking time and expenses. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to enable the time tracking feature. To do this, navigate to the settings, represented by a gear icon located in the top right corner of your page. Once you're there, look for the section called Preferences, and under that, you'll see an option labeled General. Select that option. This will bring you to a screen where you can customize how you use Zoho Books. Here, you'll find a list of modules you can enable. Look for Timesheet in this list and ensure you check the box next to it. This action will allow you to track time and associate it with your projects. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to confirm your changes. It's a small step, but essential for project management. Now that we've got time tracking enabled, let's create your project. Head over to the left sidebar where you'll find the Time Tracking tab. Click on it and then select Projects from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to the project's dashboard, which might be empty if this is your first time using it, but don't worry, that's about to change. Look for the plus New Project button, usually located prominently on the page, and give it a click. At this point, the system will prompt you to enter some details about your project. Start off with the project name, something descriptive yet succinct. There's an optional section for the project description if you'd like to elaborate on the objectives or scope. Next, you'll need to associate your project with a customer by selecting a name from the customer name drop-down list. This is crucial because every project needs to be linked to a customer within Zoho Books. Following that, you'll see options for the billing method. Choose the one that fits your project model. Options may include fixed cost, based on project hours, based on task hours, or based on staff hours. If your project requires approval for time entries, you can enable that setting at this stage. As you continue setting up, you'll want to add users and tasks to your project. This is where you assign team members and define what needs to be done. Even if you're unsure about all the tasks or users at the moment, rest assured you can always come back and add more later. If your project comes with a budget, check the option to add budget for this project and input the relevant details about your financial plan. This helps you keep track of expenses and ensures you stick to financial targets. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click Save to create your project. You've now set up your project in Zoho Books, ready to begin effective tracking and management. Keep in mind, the flexibility of Zoho Books allows you to adjust these settings as your project evolves, so feel free to revisit these options whenever necessary. Happy project managing, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.